Hey there, my name is David and I'm part of the Keevo team. We've created a few tutorial videos for you called Keevo courses. Our goal is to get you up to speed in how to set up and use your Keevo Model 1 quickly. And we hope this video will answer any questions you might have to make this easy. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily set up and restore your Keevo Model 1. To do this, you will have already downloaded and set up your Keevo Link application on your computer. Plus, you should now have your Keevo Link account set up, connected your Keevo to your computer, and made sure that your firmware on your Keevo is up to date. Now in this video, we can show you how to easily and quickly restore your Keevo Model 1 device. If you've watched our other videos or read our point of views on our website, seed phrases are inconvenient to store and manage, as well as incredibly insecure. We support them as a way to restore or set up your Keevo. To set up your Keevo from a seed phrase, click on option number 3, Restore from Seed Phrase. You will now be prompted to enter your seed phrase. First, Keevo will ask you whether your seed phrase is 12, 15, 18, 21, or 24 characters long. Once selected, the next step will be to enter your seed words one at a time until you complete the entire seed phrase. It's not that easy, but it is a lot easier with Keevo's keyboard and capacitive touch panel display that lets you enter seed phrases that way, versus having to select each letter using one or two buttons on a small LCD display. Keevo's smart algorithm also shows you potential words in your seed phrase after you type in just the first few letters of a word. Once you've entered your seed phrase on a Keevo, enter your password and scan your fingerprint on the reader. Now you're done. Once you've completed the setup process, you're all set. You can now use your new Keevo hardware wallet and Keevo's downloadable application link to manage your digital identity and crypto assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask us at support@keevowallet.com.